Welcome to OYO 105 Melbourne Suite here in Manila. Let me show you my room. This hotel is located at a very good location near with the LRT, so everywhere you can go, you can take a LRT or you can just take taxi or jeepney. But first of all, we're going to see the amenities in the room. We have this fridge, we have this microwave oven, we have this coffee or tea maker with cabinet, and of course the rooms are very clean. This room costs only 1,200 pesos. Very clean rooms. The bed, very big screen, HD TV with satellite channels, but mostly the Filipino channels. And there, this is the bathroom. See the bathroom. Very clean. And that is shower area.
Number two, you and I live in Pasig, right? Before Manila Water really got their act going, right? Lahat tayo nag-i-give, lahat tayo may
Towel.
most of us may
They provide 2 towels.
Now, just before
And yes, there you can see the toilet paper.
actually take a shower on the 3rd floor without having a pressure pump. And there was pressure. Suddenly it went down. Now my question to you is, can you please answer this conspiracy theory?
And yes, there's the gallery out there.
Is it possible that all of this is
For
a
city view.
simulation, is a testing para malaman nila kung ano magiging reaction, or is this a scare
Later we'll go
so that they can be approved?
to the rooftop
Is there
pool,
something there, and why
so
would they do it?
there would be
Okay,
some
after
more
the short break,
to see.
what about this whole water fiasco?
There, just we are in the room. Little later we'll be going to the rooftop, to the swimming pool. Okay guys, see you later. There we are at the rooftop of Melbourne Suite. Actually the full name is OYO 105 Melbourne Suite, and it is situated in Makati. Earlier I was showing you my room, and now we are at the top of the hotel, and there is our swimming pool on the left side, on the right side rather. Okay, I will show you the swimming pool later, but let's take a look here. It's hot, but still cloudy, but hot. So there are only kids with their moms using the kids swimming pool, while there is no adult or anyone else but just me here. Earlier I was using the swimming pool, so there you can see the chairs, empty chairs. And the kids are there with their moms. There you can see it is a LRT station, India. So if you are going to McLaren or anywhere else, it is very convenient to take a LRT from here without getting stuck in the traffic. And there in the front, you can see the airport is situated there, right in the front, but it's still very far. But I can see the flights taking off. And there is Walter Martin Carthy. So this is the kids' pool, but the kids are using the adult pool, adult swimming pool right now. And this is adult swimming pool, I mean the normal swimming pool here, but only kids.